Hello, fellow gardeners. Well, we're over here in the greenhouse, and not in the greenhouse, we're doing shade cloth over the top of it. It's getting late in the afternoon. We got a storm coming in, but we wanted to show you this right quick as we could. Now, this is climbing spinach. This is good for the hot summertime when other spinach won't grow. We're a little late putting this in because it's fall here. It's in November, the 2 days after the election. But I just wanted you to see what this spinach, it'll grow, grow, grow. You can eat these stems and leaves. They're wonderful. And anyway, that's what we've got in these tubs here. We just cut 4 sacks of lettuce off of these 4 tubs right here. And on this side right over here, we've got kale. This is kale down to right here. And then we got a different kind of kale right there. So we got plenty of kale there. This is cabbage right here we've got that's growing here. And this is broccoli right over here on this side here. Just what I kind of wanted to show you these here buckets. Then we got lettuce on down through here. We got carrots on that side right over there. And we've got buckets that we didn't plant because we just wanted to put a little out and show you this stuff has grown like a weed because we put fertilizer down, the fresh fertilizer. You're always asking, do we re-put the 5 fertilizers in each season? Yes, you do it in the spring when you start your summer crops, and then in the fall when you start your fall and winter crops, you do the 5 fertilizers in there again. Now, all of this stuff here is greens, so we use the nitrogen on all of this because we're going to eat the leaves and we don't have anything blooming to eat the fruit of.
Is that regular cabbage?
That's cabbage right there, yes.
So head cabbage.
That's head cabbage. But it just, well, it hadn't made heads yet. It's still growing, but they put them in there so thick, they're not going to make big heads, but it's fine. I just want you to see that what you can do if you feed this stuff, these plants, they will grow for you. The greens that you eat the leaves of, you use the high nitrogen. The ones you eat the fruit of the bloom, like tomatoes, peppers, and squash, you use the high phosphorus and high potash. Okay, I just wanted to give you a little quick date up. It's fixing to storm here on us, so we got to get in. We don't have any plastic on it, it's just going to be shade cloth. If it comes a hard freeze, we'll lose this stuff probably. But we will see. We'll keep you informed. Thanks for watching. Punch the button, ring the bell, and subscribe, and we'll make you another video.